there, this is Jasmine and we are solving question 175 today. The question says on a certain day a bakery produced a batch of rolls at a production cost of $300. On that day, 4/5 of the rolls in the batch were sold, each at a price that was 50% greater than the average arithmetic mean production cost per roll. The remaining rolls in the batch were sold the next day, each at a price that was 20% less than the price of the day before. So what was the bakery's profit on the batch of rolls? So first of all, we are going to assume that the bakery has produced 10 rolls. Okay, assume that the bakery produced 10 rolls, and they have already given that the cost price of the rolls were $300. That's why the cost price of 10 rolls becomes $300, and therefore the cost price of one roll becomes $30. Now let's go to the selling price. They have said that 4/5 of the rolls in the batch were sold at a different price and the remaining were sold at a different price. Therefore the selling price of 10 rolls goes this way. 8 rolls were sold 50% greater than the cost price. So that means 30 plus 50% of this. So 50% of 30, which is 15. So cost price is 45 for the 8 rolls, and the remaining 2 rolls were sold 20% less than the price of the day before. That means on the previous day the rolls were sold $45 each. Now on the other day, the second day, the price was 20% less. That means 45 minus 20% of 45. So that's 20% of 45. First of all, find out the 10% of 45, which is just 4.5, and double it. That gives you 9. So for 20% of 45 is 9. Subtract it from 45. That gives you 36. So that means the other day the 2 rolls were sold for $36. So let's find out the profit. The profit is equal to the selling price minus cost price. What is the total selling price? 8 rolls were sold for $45 and the 2 rolls were sold for $36. This is the total selling price minus cost price. The cost price of 10 rolls was $300. That gives us 45 times 8. 45 times 2 is 90. So times 4, that's gonna give you 360, plus 2 times 36 is 72 minus 300. Subtract these two first. So that's give 60 and plus 72 as it is. So overall our answer becomes $132. That means the bakery made a profit of $132. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.